My name is Blanca and I am a golden eagle. I arrived at the Bird of Prey Health Group when I was just 8 weeks old. Scared and alone, I had no idea what would happen to me. Soon I was in the company of Cleo. Although I could not sit right next to her, I was able to watch her and talk with her. As I grew, I was becoming more confident. Soon I found myself in a very large enclosure. I was learning to fly. I even had a pool, just large enough for me to splash in. I love the water. There was a magnificent eagle in the large enclosure with me. Her name is Tesla, and she is 35 years old. She was so patient and taught me many eagle secrets. She would sit with me and talk with me. I was so happy. Soon I had other young eagle friends to be with, who, like me, had lost their parents. There is Grace and Flash, who always looks angry. Francis is such a gentle soul, recovering from West Nile virus infection. Hamilton fractured her leg and even had to have surgery to repair it. And then there is Charlotte, so beautiful and flies perfectly. How are we ever going to be wild and free? We have been told that life in the wild is full of danger. We must learn how to avoid power lines and electrocution, lead toxicity that may leave us paralyzed, traumatic injuries, and even respiratory fungal diseases. The Bird of Prey Health Group says they have a plan to help us be free. We will have to work hard and trust in them. But first I had to be healthy and free of any medical problems. The Bird of Prey Health Group medical team assured me that I was fit and ready. It was terrifying to leave my friends. I was confused and alone now. My new friend was a kind and gentle man they called the Falconer. At first I was terrified, but soon I learned to step up on his glove and eat my food in front of him. It was not long before he took me out to a field. I was learning to fly short distances, and he was teaching me how to find rabbits, one of my favorite foods. Soon I was flying greater distances. The Falconer and I had become a team. It took all of my strength at first to fly, but the more I practiced, the stronger I became. I learned to soar and feel the wind under my wings, ride the thermals high into the sky, and come out of the heavens faster than I could imagine. It was thrilling. Once I perfected my ability to feed myself, it was time to be set free. But before I could go, the Bird of Prey Health Group put a backpack GPS satellite transmitter on me. Oh, don't worry, I am told it will fall off within 1 year. But this way they can track me and help me if I become injured or having a rough time in the wild. I am confident, fit, and ready. Thank you to the Bird of Prey Health Group for giving me the chance to be a wild eagle. Please donate so more young golden eagles can have a chance to fly free like me.